got a request from some friends who want to have some Lachsschinken smoked. This is all we need. That's 70 pounds of lime pork. That's black pepper. That's uniberries. That's ginger. That is ascorbine acid, vitamin C. Coriander, glucose, brown sugar, bay leaves, and the curing salt. Actually, German curing salt. You can see there's a special curing salt for ham. It's more coarse than regular salt. Let's mix it together, and I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl. Like I said, German curing salt. So I'm going to remove some of the things I don't want on there. Actually, I like a little bit fat on there. So always watch out if there are any cuts in the meat. To make sure that salt is going everywhere. Otherwise, if you're going to hang it for a while, it will start molding on that different spot. So keep that in mind. See, I got little bones left in this one. I don't want those. Make sure you got a sharp knife. Okay, that's the last piece I'm cutting. So I would guess we have about 10% waste cleaning the meat. Here we got the spices. I would say yes. The first pieces are important, especially on the sides. Spread on the bottom. It's always difficult to spread it evenly on the meat. After 5 days, we're gonna turn the top part to the bottom part. There is brain going down, or the moisture from the meat goes into the sinks to the bottom. And if we turn it frequently, a couple times, it will get the salt all over, so we don't have any spots what's not been cured. Okay guys, that's what it looks like. Sorrow being out of focus for the time I put everything in there. So I see you in at least 2 weeks, probably 15 days, just for safety. The meat takes about 2.5 days per centimeter. I don't even know how thick that is. Well, this is 5, and I guess the bigger ones a little bit more. 5 times 2.5, it's 12.5 days. So I think we're doing pretty good with the 15. So this will go in the fridge, and after 3 days I turn it over, turn the top part to the bottom, and after another 3 days I will turn it back, and so on. So 15 days. This was part 1. And, I will see you back then for the second part of this. So you're gonna put that dry. Get the needle. So you better put something underneath there. So just make sure it's not dripping all over. I took him out of the brine. Okay, you know what I mean. Let him two days dry, and now I put him in the smoker for about 12 hours, and then let's see what it looked like. So they got rest one day, so tomorrow is it's not been smoked. Well, this is a pretty cool place right now, so that's okay. So now you're gonna hang them here. They're gonna spend at least 1 week of smoking. We're gonna smoke them 12 hours, then rest 24 hours, smoke for 12 hours, rest for 12 hours, and then smoke a third time, and then there will hang another 2 weeks for drying.